Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 196 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have the AOA Studio, which is the Shop Miss A brand, Sculpt FX Contour Stick to try out. I have it in the shade Nude, so I finally did a Shop Miss A haul. It's definitely more like a haul than a purchase because look at what I got. I bought so much stuff and I'm so excited to try it all out. I can't believe it took me so long to buy from Shop Miss A because if you know me, you know I love dollar store makeup and cruelty-free makeup, and everything from Shop Miss A is $1 and cruelty-free. So that's exactly like the product that I'm trying today, $1, cruelty-free, and it came in a bunch of different shades. That is a difficulty of buying online, not knowing exactly what shade to get, but Shop Miss A does such a great job of showing swatches on a bunch of different skin tones. But so yeah, Shop Miss A is a website, so I'll be able to link this down below if you're interested in purchasing. It's a twist up stick. Oh my gosh, that's all it comes with. Perspective here, how tiny it is. Oh, that's kind of a bummer. And I mean, it is only $1, but then a bunch of the other products that I got, I'm surprised by how big they are. This one, so far, I'm like, that is so dinky. Let's see how it actually performs. Start out by swatching it. That's very creamy, pretty nice color. It's kind of like a taupe shade, and I do like that it's a chubby stick. I feel like that's very easy to apply. I sure hope this color is going to be okay, because at first glance it looks very gray on my skin. I'm just taking my Real Techniques sponge and dabbing this in to blend it out. If you're interested in seeing my review on this sponge, I'll link it down below. That really doesn't blend out too easily. Super cool toned. And on me, maybe warm tones look better. This is really not working out too well. It doesn't blend in very nicely. It kind of just disappears and it's rubbing away my makeup. I'm so bummed at my first ever Shop Miss A product. Let's see how it does on my forehead. Yeah, too gray. Wow, I'm really gonna consider this a fail for me. Like, a lot of the reason is because the color just doesn't work for my skin. It's much too gray, but I also just don't like how it blends. I don't like how you only get a tiny bit of product, and it doesn't sit well on top of my other makeup. I don't wanna just throw this away. I wanna find some use for it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas of what I could do with this. Like, maybe I could use it as a nude eyeshadow, a nude lipstick, mix it in with something. Hopefully I'll be able to figure out some use for it. Wow, let's hope that not all of the products that I got from Shop Miss A are gonna be such failures, because that's a lot of products. But look forward to more Shop Miss A products in future videos. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.